Let's do a beginner-friendly tutorial on plucking. Grab a spritz bottle, tweezer, rat tail comb, and a hot comb. Spritz the hair with a little bit of water. Part a small section near the hairline. Split the hair and spray the area that you are about to pluck. Now you want to tie it to the side to make sure that it is out of your way. You want to make sure that you do not pluck on the line that you section. Now you want to begin plucking using the skip method. As you can see, I am plucking in every other section, creating these small spaces in between. And you want to do this very carefully because if you are a little heavy-handed, which I'm going to show you later, it could create large spaces in the hair. Now you see these small sections of hair. You want to go in the small sections of hair that you have and lightly pluck so that it can blend out the hairline, giving a more realistic hairline. Comb out the hairs that you plucked just to get them out of the way. Grab your hot comb and comb the hairs back. Untie the hairline section, spray it down with some water, and now you're just going to repeat the same previous steps but on the hairline section. You want to make sure that you are doing the skip method first, just so that you can create these small spaces. Then you go inside these small sections of hair and pluck in the small sections of hair very lightly. I got a little heavy-handed doing this part, and I'm going to show you guys exactly why you don't want to do that. I want to make sure that I'm showing you my mistakes. So as you guys can see right over there, I was a little heavy-handed. You got to be very careful not to be too heavy-handed. Now I'm just going in with my edge booster and a hot comb. Everyone likes different hairline looks, whether it be thin or thick, so you just pluck it to your desire. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Follow me for more.